Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make small bricks. First, you will gather your essential materials, including clay, sand, and water. Next, prepare your workspace to ensure an efficient and smooth production process. We will then go through the fundamental steps of mixing your ingredients, carefully molding your bricks, and finally, the crucial firing process. This guide will help you create perfectly scaled-down bricks for various projects, ensuring a rewarding and precise crafting experience from start to finish. Now, let's dive into preparing your materials. Begin by selecting a high-quality, fine-grained clay. This is crucial for achieving the best small brick quality. Next, you'll want to mix your clay with sand, ideally in a 3-to-1 ratio of clay to sand, which significantly enhances the brick's strength and durability. Gradually add water to this mixture, kneading it thoroughly until it reaches a smooth, pliable, and workable consistency, perfect for molding. With your clay mixture ready, it's time for molding. For uniform small bricks, consider using molds that are approximately 2 inches long by 1 inch wide, or even smaller, depending on your desired scale. Press the clay mixture very firmly into these molds, ensuring you eliminate any air pockets that could weaken your finished brick. Once filled, carefully and gently remove the freshly molded, or green, bricks from their molds, preparing them for the next crucial stage. The final steps involve drying and firing your small bricks. First, allow your green bricks to air dry completely for several days. This slow drying process is essential to prevent any cracking or warping. Once thoroughly dry, place them in a kiln and fire them at high temperatures, typically around 1000 degrees Celsius, to achieve maximum hardness and durability. Always ensure proper ventilation during the firing process for both safety and optimal brick quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.